Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic week so far. Today is June the 26th of 2025. We have made it to day number 77 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. All right. So we are cranking right along here, guys. I'm excited to be here. I'm just happy that we're making it through this series and things are looking really good here, guys. If you guys go back to day number one, you can kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing and seeing the progress from when we first started to where we are right now. Okay, guys, and we've made tremendous, yeah, tremendous steps on getting, better at these emails and this traffic warming up to us. Okay, and they eventually, starting to buy from us. Okay, now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about here, guys, we are taking one offer from ClickBank, okay, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets, and we are seeing if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year doing so. Okay, now this is going to be good stuff, guys. We're in month three right now of this video series. We got quite a while to go. Okay, and we're making progress here, guys. So just wanted to show you guys what we're doing. Like I said, go back to these videos, get started. Watching them. That way you can kind of get up to speed. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay. And if not, no biggie. Okay. Now we have made it to day number 77. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay. So if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service. They provide 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office here, which your back office is going to look exactly like this. In their back office, you're going to see either 100 to 200 leads coming in. Okay. Now, what separates the two is if you how many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the cool thing about the My Legion Secret system, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you guys can get more than one account, and that's how you're able to make, to see progress in what you're doing. Now, I did leave a link below this video. So if you go down here and click on this link right here, this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom, click on that link. It'll take you to the My Legion Secret system, and you can go ahead and get started. Let me know once you get started. I got some emails that I use that work really good. So if you guys are interested in those, I can send you those as well. Emails that help me get started whenever I first started. Okay. So this is your back office. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus the ones I'm sending out. Okay. Yours may be a little different from mine. Okay. But everything else is still going to look the same. Okay. Now, the tab that's going to be the most important tab in this back office is going to be the mailing system. This is where we send out our emails. Okay. So what you would do is you would come here and select all. What that does, it pushes all the emails over. So that way it loads them up. That way, when we send out one email, it goes out to however many you have selected. Okay. Now, this email is going to go out to over 170 or 179,000 people. Okay. That this email is going to go out. Okay, and if you sent out an email like in Gmail or Yahoo or something like that, then it's the same thing, guys. There's a subject line that you gotta say what the email is about, and then the body of text here where you gotta put in your email and draw it out. Okay, so it's super easy to do. Anyone can do this. Okay, now I've already sent out my emails today. I got 8 different accounts. Okay, so I send out emails to those accounts every single day. Okay, and it takes me about 5-10 minutes to send out those emails. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here. Let's go ahead and go back up here. Let's go ahead and grab a subject line. Okay. Now, the offer that we're going to be using is an offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. It's an offer that's on ClickBank in the e-business e-marketing section. This is the offer that we're going to be using for this video series for the whole 1 year. Okay. And this offer here, guys, is awesome. I promoted this offer before and it does work and it does convert. Okay. Now, this offer does have free email swipes. So if you come down here and click on email swipes, they have some really good email swipes, okay, that you can use for free. So you don't really have to go out and write your own emails. You can just use these emails right here, okay, and just rinse and repeat. You get down to number 20. From 20, you can just start back to 1 and just keep coming down, sending those same emails. Now, Once we get down to 20, after a few times, I believe this is maybe our third time, about to go back through it. As soon as we get to 20, I'm going to switch it up a little bit and just kind of show you how to repurpose this emails. So you're not sending out the same email. Okay. That way you kind of change it up a little bit for your customer. Okay. So, let's go ahead and grab an email. Okay. So that way we can send it out, send this email out. I'm not sure which one we sent out last night. But let's just go ahead and start with this one right here. Okay. Join the live chat revolution. So as you can see, it does say subject line. So you would take this subject line right here and you come back over here and go and click on Control V. Okay. And then you want to come down here and you want to click on perfect timing. And then from there, you want to come back and you want to grab the body of the text, okay, body of the email, okay. You want to grab it, so just grab that. You can grab all of it. Just come down here and then Control C, and then come back over here to the mailing system, and then we want to Control V. Okay, like super easy, guys. All right. So you want to either put in your name or management, whichever one. Okay. Let's see here. So I'll put in my name, and then also here you want to come back up, and we want to put in either we want to put in our customer's first name. We want to address them by their first name. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back here. And then we want to come back, boom, and then Control V. Okay. And then at the bottom here, there's going to be a call to action link, and we're going to take this link and we want to make it a clickable link. Okay. So it says clicking this link. Okay. So you want to click on the link tab. Now, with the offer underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link that you're going to be able to use. This link goes with this email. Okay. So all you have to do is come here and on this email, on this affiliate link, you just have to take this out and you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay. That's very important. That way you get the credit for the email. So let's go back here, Control V. Super easy to do, guys. I mean, this stuff is just anybody can come in here and do this, guys. Okay. And you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. All right. So, boom. That way, as you can see, guys, we just created an email and it has a clickable link in it. Okay. So, what I like to do is I like to make these either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys choose. And that way this email is ready to go. So it addresses our prospect by their first name. It says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever their name is, right? And then it goes into the email, lets them know the opportunity. And then at the bottom of the email, there's going to be a call to action button where it just like says click here, apply here, or get started now. And right here, we have our call to action button right here. So our prospect, when they read this email, they're going to click on this link. Okay. And it's going to take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay, guys, let me get this out the way and get this out of the way here, guys. Sorry about that. So that's it, guys. So your affiliate link does all the selling and telling for you. All our job is to do is to get our customer to our affiliate link and let the affiliate link let them know about the opportunity and how they can get started. Okay. Now down at the bottom, there's going to be a button that says either send now or preview. You're going to want to click on preview, and preview is going to pull up the email in real time. Okay. And it's going to let you click on this link. Right now, it won't let you do it, but when you pull it up in real time, it'll let you click on the link and make sure that it goes to your URL, and it has your URL affiliate link in the URL. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. I just showed you how to do that, guys. It's very easy to do. I would advise you guys getting started today. Okay. Now, I do want to say there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, so you can get everything started for your account, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, so what you get that $30 a month is, like I said, you're going to get thousands of people each month that you're going to be able to keep in your account, and those emails are going to be yours. Okay, so you'll be able to stack those emails up to thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Okay, and that's the whole idea here, guys, with this method is to get multiple accounts with thousands of people, and you have much more of a reach of customers that you can send out to, where you can get people to look at your offers. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email. As you can see, doing something like this takes, very not a lot of effort to do. Okay, you just copying and pasting. If you can copy and paste emails, I mean, you can do this, guys. It's super easy to do. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over to our ClickBank account. Now, if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's a network platform where you can go and you can grab offers, okay, and you can send those offers. You can be an affiliate of those offers, and you can send those out, okay, and you can get paid for promoting other people's products, okay, which is really really cool, guys. So um, let's go ahead and check our stats, okay. Yesterday we sent out emails last night, and we're just going to check those results and see how we did yesterday. And today is the 26th, and we did earn a commission today. So let's go ahead and see where that came from, guys. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Okay. And today is June the 26th, and we are promoting social sales rep. Today we got 829 hops. We got 433 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses coming to our website. And then also we got one order from impression. Okay, this is someone that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay, today we did get a sale. Okay, which is really good. Okay, this is a free trial sale. What that means is that we don't get paid from it, but we will get paid in 3 days from this free trial. And that this is kind of really what I'm wanting to happen is I want these sales to come in more frequently. And as you can see, the sales, been coming in like every other day, every couple of days or something like that. But what we're looking for is to get initial sales every single day, okay, or every other day, right? So that's what we're going to be looking for, okay? And what's so powerful about it is that, the reason why I'm promoting this offer is because it has a rebill of $27. And then as an affiliate, we get to keep $20 of that. Okay. So the whole idea here, guy, the whole madness to the method to this madness, okay, is to get multiple people signing up, and get multiple people getting billed each and every month. Okay. I mean, imagine those $20, getting hundreds of people paying their paying the fee to get started with the company, and then getting rebilled $20 each and every month. Okay, and those $20 are going to stack on top of each other. So if you get multiple people signing up, you get multiple people getting billed every month, you're going to have $40 days, you're going to have $60 days, $80 days, $100 days, on up. Okay. And that's the whole goal here within this 1 year, is to get this income up to that level, to where we can earn enough money to, pay bills and, maybe pay a car note, maybe pay mortgage, or pay multiple bills. Okay. So we can get this thing up. I've seen people earning anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000 to $5,000 doing this method, guys. It's just how dedicated are you to come in here every day, stack your accounts, and send out emails every day. This is something that you got to be committed to. Okay, this is not something that you're going to be able to come in, send out an email, and make hundreds of dollars in a day. It just doesn't work that way, guys. This is something that you have to build up, something that you have to be committed to. Okay. Now, you may not see results your first week. It may take a couple weeks. You could see it in your first couple days. Okay. It just depends. Every account is not created the same. Okay. Your accounts may be different from mine. Okay. So it's just all about, how committed you are, how dedicated you are to start earning income for yourself. Okay. So this method, guys, I got multiple income streams that I use to earn income. This is one of the least paying methods that I do, but it's super easy to do. And I know it does work and it does pay. That's why I'm showing you guys. That way, this can be just something easy that you can do to make money. And then once you get this going, then you can go to other income opportunities, and you can make money from other sources, okay, other methods, okay, to make money, okay. So super easy to do, guys. Just wanted to come in and show you guys, how to do stuff, how to send out an email, which I did. I wanted to show you the results on the sale that we got today, and then this we also did earn a rebill, okay. And I want to see where this came from. So let's go ahead and go over here to our accounts tab. Okay, and then let's go ahead and go in here, and I want to find out where the sale came from. So let's go ahead and come down here, and let's just click on that. Okay, so let's come down here, and then I believe it's right here. Okay. So this sale, all right. So as you can see, this sale came from last month. Okay. So there's the 26th. This person purchased the program on May 23rd for the free trial. They didn't get billed till 3 days later. Okay. And then they got billed on the 26th. This person is making money with this offer. Okay. So they got billed again. Today's the 26th. They're going to just keep getting billed on the 26th of every month. Okay. So that's the whole idea here, guys, is that people are coming in, buying the program and sticking with the program because they're making money. Okay, and that's our job. These people on this list, on this mileage and secret list, these people are looking for ways to make money. Okay, and we put a money making opportunity in front of them, guys. It's just super easy to do, and this is why I'm encouraging you guys to get started, because it's just easy to do, guys, and you can do this. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys and share with you that this stuff does work. And if you guys want to get started, I would recommend you guys getting started. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will hope to see you guys. I'm going to be back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.